If you look at the world map, some countries everybody knows for the right reasons, like Italy for the food and Egypt for the pyramids. But other countries everybody knows for the wrong reasons, like this country for war and this country for poverty. Take Vietnam, for example. Every movie, every book, every news article that I read in the last year was about war. The Vietnam War that ended 45 years ago. But what do people do there now? There has to be more than just war. To answer that question, I had to go to Vietnam by myself. And what I saw there was the exact opposite of war. I saw coffee. No one told me this, but Vietnam is the second biggest exporter of coffee in the world. In the world. More than Colombia and Ethiopia. And their coffee is unlike any I've ever seen. They drink it with condensed milk, with coconut milk, or sometimes with eggs. And even as a non-coffee drinker, I was shocked by the amazing taste.
Ooh, you see?
And I was even more shocked by their prices. Vietnam, turns out, is one of the most affordable places in the world for tourists. Hotels just like this one go for $12 a night, and food just like this one can go for $4 a meal. These are prices I have never seen in any other country. The next day, I went to another city, Hoi An, Vietnam, and saw shops after shop after shop selling custom clothes. Turns out, this cute village is the tailoring capital of the world. You choose the fabric and the style, they measure you, and in 10 hours or less, you become a whole new person. From this to this, from this to this, and this. All for less than $50. I'm a new man, baby, for $50. As you walk down the streets of Hoi An, dressed up like $1 million, enjoying the peace and culture of Vietnam, you will realize this is an awesome place with 100 million people. Most of them have a smile on their face, ready to welcome you and share their country with you.
Hello! Everybody's waving. Everybody's waving. It's insane.
It is unfortunate that most media talks about is the Vietnam War that ended 45 years ago. This video is not about Vietnam, it's about every country like Vietnam that is known for the wrong reasons. So the next time you look at the world map again, I hope you don't only remember the past, I hope you remember the present. See you next week.